Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk, and I will be talking about Tesla stock tonight. Um, I've got some massive news coming out. Um, we have some massive news coming out, and I'm going to get into that in a brief second. And so I will get into the two projects that Tesla's currently working on and kind of what's going to be, what is Ark Invest's plans with Tesla in the near future and in the far future. And so let's dive into it. So, first update is that Elon Musk filed with the FCC filing November 11th, and the one thing that changed was the figures. It was not the ones I said yesterday. The first buy he bought at $10.54, and the second buy was at $1,085. It's probably for mathematical, logistical reasons, to probably better us. But what do I don't know. I'm just rumoring something I don't know. But some projects that are going on. So you saw in the title that there's a phone coming out. Tesla's coming out with a phone. It's called the Model Pi, or I don't know, PI. And what's up with that phone is it connects you with Starlink, which is the satellites that are all over the Earth, and there's no SIM card involved. It's got obviously internet and probably every single gadget that Apple has and more. You can use it in space. You can use it in space, just like I think the Apple phone you can, because we saw that on Netflix. But what this phone is allowed to help you, what this phone can do is help. I have to read this to tell you it the best way because it's just so crazy. But first, you can use it in space and Mars. Neuralink will help people, that they'll be putting a chip in their head that will help them, and it'll link up with their heart, and it helps people make with depression or disabilities. I don't know, it does some type of neurological thing. I wouldn't do it, but who knows? This is the far future, but it's happening now. The money's going into it now. This is long-term potential. The other thing, if you're still watching this video, this is the craziest part, is this phone will be capable for people who are in Mars to crypto mine their currency. And they will be coming up, rumor has it, with a coin that will be used as the currency in Mars. That news hasn't came out yet, but it's coming out. And you know I don't lie, so that's some crazy ass shit. I'm sorry, but I haven't said anything more crazy in any of my videos than this. There'll be more, obviously, news on that one. But another huge project is the robo-taxi service. And how can Tesla generate this? There's also, this Ark Invest sees a $9 trillion revenue in the next 5 to 10 years. $9 trillion revenue. And but the problem that we have is data, and we need the data in order to help whoever individual. It's needed for a lot of reasons. Scams, we know that, but there is actual scientific reasons the data is used more than trying to just jack you. And now here's the data intertwined with cars. The difference between, and you guys probably heard this, but maybe you haven't, some of you have, but you have Tesla, who started out as an EV company, right? And going into an EV, never was a gas company. And you have all these legacy cars, that's the term that they're using, legacy cars like Ford, GM, blah, 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 Mercedes. And they're having to transition into electric cars. So no wonder Tesla would be ahead of them. This is kind of a aha moment for Tuk Tuk. I didn't get it until now. Maybe for you too. So there is so much potential in the next 5 years to see Tesla hit $3,000 a share. I haven't shared this much with anybody because I haven't had any solid news on this, but these are my thoughts. I've seen a few YouTube videos on it, but within these next 5 years, we are going to have a massive, massive, massive crash, followed by the most ridiculous thing. I mean, you've seen my pencil thing with my eraser. This is like to the moon with their pencil number 2. So stay tuned to the videos. Subscribe if you like them. You find me on Tuck Notes on YouTube and on Instagram at TuckerMLO. I post a lot of stuff on Elon Musk and Twitter on there, and a lot of people have been benefiting from it. So jump on board. All right. I love you guys and have a great night.